Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to replace your rear wheel bearing hub assembly on a 2005 Toyota Matrix. And as you can see, I've already got the car lifted up and on jack stands here, supported safely. And I've already got the tire off. And the first thing we need to do is pull off this brake drum. That one came off kind of easily, which was nice. And we'll set that aside. And this is the hub assembly that we're going to replace. It's just held in place by 4 bolts in the back. I'm going to show you the new one here so you can get a feel for what that looks like. So you can see that there's just these 4 holes on the back of the new hub assembly. I'm going to move the camera around so you can see what they look like in the back. You can see there's these 4 bolts in place, and they're not too bad. You should just be able to loosen those with your typical socket wrench or breaker bar. And we'll just go around and make sure all of those are loose. And I guess since I'm down here already, I'll just take them out from this side. That's what they look like. Okay, so we've got those bolts taken out of the back, and this hub should just come out. This hub and bearing. There it is. So there's our old one. It's making a little bit of noise. It's a little loose, a little grindy compared to our new one here, which is nice and smooth. So we'll go ahead and put that in. I'm going to clean the surface where it goes in here with a little bit of brake cleaner. Okay. I meant to show you when I took this out the orientation of this. You can see the shape is kind of an odd shape. It's wider here at the top than it is at the bottom. There's a little kind of a little bump up here at the top, and that goes at the top. And so when you put in the new one, you want to make sure that lines up the same. There we go. And if you just reach behind, you can get those bolts started. You may have to twist that a little bit to get them to line up. Now we can do the same with the rest of the bolts. Just put them in through the back holes and thread them in by hand. Now these weren't very tight. I believe the torque spec is somewhere between 55 and 70. I'll have to look that up, I guess, before I torque these down, but go ahead and just refer to your manual on that one. For right now, I'm just going to snug them down. So I'm just going to snug these down, like I said, for right now, and I'll look up the proper spec on that, but I'm sure it's somewhere around 55, 60. But they definitely were not very tight when it came off. They've got a little bit of, they look like they've got a little remnant or a little bit of thread locker on the bolts themselves, a little bit of the red color, and that'll it's still there. It'll keep them from vibrating loose once we get them torqued down. And then you can put your drum back on. And you're done. Once you get that torque down and get your tire back on, you can get on down the road. But thanks so much for watching, and good luck.